In this video tutorial, we're going to go through how to import, create, and align standards to Buzz activities. From your teacher dashboard, locate the course you wish to place standards into and click on the pencil for the editor. If you're using a master and a derivative, choose the course you're working in. You may come in and your editor may look like this. To open up your side panels, go to the very bottom left or right and click on the small arrow to expand the side columns. You can click the arrows again to close the side columns. To import standards, go to the bottom left corner and click on the blue or purple circle for course objectives. In this window here, if there are objectives already within your course, you'll see them listed here. You can search objectives by typing in their letters and numbers and their identifiers. Or if you know what the standard says, you can start typing and looking. To import objectives, go up to the upper right and click on the import. When you come into the import screen, you'll have certain selections. You want to make sure that you're going to select the New York standards. Choose your grade level, and then choose your subject. Next generation standards are in here. You can simply click the entire standards, or if you want to delve in, you can delve in and select the specific standards you would like. Once you're done, click Import Select Standards down in your bottom right corner to bring the standards in. To create a standard, so if you are a CTE teacher, or if you are a teacher who is in need of creating your own standards, go up to the upper right again and click on your three dots and choose Add Objective. This warning will come up. You would just select Manually Add Objective, create your identifier, and type your objective. And then click Done, and your objective will be added. Once you are done with your objectives, go up to the upper right and click Save. Once your objectives are listed here, you can search for them in the filter, or again you can type. When looking at an objective, anything that with a red dot will tell you it's attached possibly to two assignments that are non-graded. And then we have this one, which is green, which has 1 gradable and 13 not. Or sorry, 1 ungradable and 13 gradable. If you have folders, you can click and drag your objectives over to the folder, and then this objective will filter to all of the activities underneath that folder. If you wish to take an standard off, simply click the X on the standard and the standard will take itself off of the folder and the different activities. So again, you can click to drag to add to a folder and it will filter down to the rest of the activities, or you can take it off by clicking the X and taking it off. If you only want something listed to one activity, you can simply open your folder, click your objective, and drag it to that activity. Another way to align objectives to activities would be to go into your pencil, which is the Edit for Activity, go to your settings, scroll until you find the Objective Mastery box and click it. If there are standards already there, these are the standards that are aligned to this activity. If one of these is incorrect, you can click the X to take it off. To choose an objective, click the Choose Objectives button. All of the inherited objectives that are attached to that specific folder may list. If you want to see all of the objectives in the course, simply click All Objectives. We can again filter to find the objectives that we're looking for, and then click Done and add those to the activity. Then click Save. You can also add objectives to questions in assessments. To do this, when you come into an assessment, go to your editor and go to your Questions tab. We will discuss and talk about later how to create an assessment, but so you can see that you can tie objectives to individual questions. Here you would create your question, and then down here under Objectives, choose the objective that goes to the question, and then click Save. This is a video on how to tie and align objectives to certain activities within the BUZZ platform.